This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power to the controller. Remove batteries or unplug the USB, then wait 30 seconds to clear transient errors. While it rests, inspect the thumbstick area for debris or hair that can block movement. This is often the culprit. Once done, make sure your console and controller firmware are up to date because software glitches can mimic hardware failure. Also note the controller model so you pick the right replacement parts if needed. Next, you clean and recalibrate. Use short bursts of compressed air to dislodge particles, then gently wipe with a lint-free cloth dampened with 70% plus isopropyl to remove grime. Avoid oversaturating. After cleaning, recalibrate the stick in the console settings or connect to a PC calibration utility so the system relearns center position and dead zone. Then test movement and dead zone in a diagnostics menu or a simple in-game runway. This confirms whether cleaning and recalibration solved the issue. If cleaning and calibration fail, you move to repair or replace. Open the controller with the right screwdriver, keep screws organized, and check the potentiometer for wear or contamination because worn pots cause drift. You can replace the stick module or solder a new potentiometer. Use ESD precautions and steady hands. Once reassembled, recalibrate again. If the problem persists, make sure to test a different controller on your console to isolate the issue, and then contact support or pursue a warranty claim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.